You roll a ball to your pet and realize it always fades to one side. You realize that your floors are sagging. My first thought would be, okay, how much will this cost me? Stay tuned and I'll tell you what it costs to fix sagging floors. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. The foundation of a home holds a lot of weight. Over time, this weight can affect the support of your floors. In this video, I'll tell you when you need to fix sagging floors, how much it costs, and what other expenses could be involved. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. The simple answer is as soon as you see it. Now, unfortunately, this is something that happens slow and over time, and so you might get a feeling one time, but you don't notice it changing for months or even years. And so it's a gradual thing until sometime it just hits you how bad it is. But the sooner that you get on it is the better the results can be. So the longer that a floor is sagged and that wood has memorized that sag, the harder it is to get that sag back out of that wood. This depends on a few different things. What is the root problem? This is the most important thing about having an expert come out to look at it. Are the sagging floors just due to the weight on the wood over time sagged? And if so, just some supplemental I-beam with some jacks can fix that. And that usually ranges between $5,000 to $6,000 just depending on how much floor support you need. But it typically runs at about 170 to 180 bucks a foot of steel I-beam, and that includes the jacks, that includes the foundations, and also includes 3 free adjustments of those jacks. Now, if it's caused by rot, then you're looking more at sistering floor joists, or maybe even replacing a sill plate or replacing a main beam. And so it's really important to first understand what's the cause of the problem with your sagging floors, then find the path to resolving that problem long term. The most important thing that we want to look at is what's the cause of the problem. If it's just because there's a load-bearing wall on a point that doesn't have the appropriate support, then that steel I-beam could be all that's needed for that crawl space or that basement to fix those sagging floors. But if it is due to moisture, and most of the time that's the cause, then you could be looking at maybe getting some moisture control units in there, such as encapsulation, dehumidifier, spray foam, a water drainage system, to help protect the rest of your floors for a long time and take care of the problem that you solved today. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about the cost of sagging floors? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.